G'day Skate Champions and welcome to Transition Tuesday, Season 2, Episode 20, the season finale. I've given my daughters the complete creative direction and control over painting my quarter pipe. And I shouldn't be surprised, they've gone with complete colour. My youngest daughter drew this sort of duck thing and my eldest daughter wanted to put it onto her skateboard, and that became the inspiration and subject of one side of the quarter. The top is some psychedelic archways, which I think is really, really cool. The ramp is a total majestic rainbow, all the colours you can think of. I've put a supporting beam down the back because I was getting a whole heap of sagging there. And they've left me this side here, just nice and blank to put some stickers on. I could seriously only find two, so if you have any other ones, please let me know. Maybe send them to me and we'll cover this side up, it'll be great. Now, this is where the magic happens. Let's get stuck in and see how this paint holds up.
If life's a lie, then we did it for nothing. I ask myself if it really meant something. We did it for nothing, but it really meant something. The future isn't there and the good times are coming. If life's a lie, then we did it for nothing. I ask myself if it really meant something. We did it for nothing, but it really meant something. The future isn't there and the good times are coming. Sneaking out my room and creeping out the house at night. All alone with the stars in the summer sky. It's kinda dark but the moon's out, it's looking nice. Call my friends out, it's time to share the night. Spend my days watching all these old summer movies. Skin fade, nice kicks.
So as you can see, lots of fun. You might notice that the paint is chipping a little bit away, which is expected, but I think it's holding up pretty well. Super proud of my girls who have gifted me with this just magic quarter pipe. And also, the best thing that's come of this is that the girls are actually using the colours to sort of guide how far they can get and having little competitions to just come and roll up and roll down. Soon we'll have them doing backside kick turns and maybe even rock to fakies. But that's it for another season. Thanks so much to all you legends out there for watching me, sticking by me, and I'll see you in a future video. Not sure what yet, but obviously we're stuck at home. I hope you're all taking care of yourself, staying safe. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, and of course, keep progressing. Take it easy, Skate Champions. Keep progressing. Take it easy, legends. Too many legends?